हम एक बार फिर से वापस आ गए हैं आपकी सेवा में और आज हमारे साथ खास मेहमान है अनीता अय्यूब और ये जो गीत देखा वो था
that clip जो आपने देखी that was Anita Ayyub herself. Like we are happy she's in the studio.
और वो क्लिप था प्यार का तराना फिल्म से देव साहब की फिल्म थी
देवानंद साहब की फिल्म
नॉट देव सागू Anita welcome back once again
and I hope you enjoyed your coffee during the break.
Yes, I loved it.
We're lucky we're getting coffee while you're here नहीं तो वरना हमें coffee नहीं मिलती ये गाने की बात कर रहे हैं you were telling us something very interesting about this clip.
This song was very interesting because when me and Dave Saab and the dance director, when we were talking about it, Dave Saab said, Anita, I don't want dances, too much of dances, because it doesn't look natural. So if you are a girl who's born and brought up in Denmark, and you're all of a sudden very excited about your Indian wedding, what are you going to be doing? So I said, probably I'll wear something Indian, and I'll be excited about churiyan and my sindoor and the things which this guy is going to do. And the most funny thing will be like the thing which will be very cute for me will be my churiya and my different things which are like new to me. So he said, okay, then just do what you want. You can imagine the guy you love. I said, yeah. And like he was very cute, and he said, and do your song. And
did you have to do any homework on imagining the guy you love? Did you need to any research
I don't think it was all that difficult. I could imagine. No, it was like me and my dance director, we sat down then, and there was one place where he put the camera on, and he said, "Ke ye pura ka puri line jitni stanza hai, the entire stanza is one, like it's going to go in one go." And because it was a big, long stanza, and I said, "Oh my God, what a big responsibility! Now I have to do it. But now every time will be a cut, and okay, do it again." So I didn't want that. So it just happened in one go. And there was no cutting, no nothing. And one can see the camera doesn't go off.
Very good. So you are talented.
Yeah, I did something.
ये मैंने एक अखबार में पढ़ा था one of the up and coming starlet of India said that I'm in the industry because I have always been very talented. To me that was very self-made statement and conceitedness.
There was today's
आप भी ऐसे कहती हैं do you
No way.
You are talented. Do you believe that you are talented?
No. One thing is for sure, I'm not talented. I'm trying to gain some experience and work on it. Talent kahan se aa gaya? No way. I can never say that. The only thing I can say is I am a little lucky in this line because talent बहुत लोगों में है, beauty बहुत लोगों के पास है. The only thing I have is definitely luck because when I used to go and meet him in the studio.
पहली मुलाकात आपकी कैसी हुई देवानंद साहब से?
I was modeling in Bombay, and the director of my commercial, he asked me. He knew that I used to go to acting courses, so he said, "When you are doing acting courses and you're a beautiful girl, why don't you go and meet Devanand because he's looking for a new girl?" So the new girl was not the thing, but it was Devanand. I said, "Why not just go and meet him for the heck of it?" And I ended up going to a studio and I said hello to him, sat down, talking to him. He said, "You know, Anita, I do want to take your photography test shots and your video test shots and your voice test shots and everything test shots." So I said, "Yeah, why not?" Now, I was a little confident as far as the camera is concerned. कि कुछ नहीं तो हरी आंखें नजर आ जाएंगी, like something will be there. So it didn't really, I said, "All right, let's do it." Tomorrow, day after, I was busy doing test shots. But when I saw the results, I looked bad. I mean, I know they were very bad results. And maybe the makeup wasn't good, the photographs weren't good, I was looking bad, everything was bad. So I looked at him and I said, "I know the photographs are bad." Now, this time I was down. I said, "I know they're bad and I don't come anywhere and this is it."
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you.
That was ideal.
लेकिन उनका क्या reaction था?
He said, "You know, Anita, who this girl is?" I said, "Yeah, that's me." He said, "No, that's my heroine." And I knew that I was doing this film.
पर इतने महान कलाकार हैं देव साहब एक अरसे से फिल्मों में और उनकी हर फिल्म को पसंद किया गया ऐसे डायरेक्टर भी हीरो भी जब जितनी भी फिल्में उन्हें बनाई उनके लिए आपने काम किया तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था आपकी घबराहट या
The best part was कि वो सब घबराहट my first film, the first time camera, and then my very first shot was a swimsuit shot. So एक तो swimsuit पहनना, like, and there were quite a few scenes like where मैं swimsuit में घूम रही हूँ इधर से उधर, like it was a full song in the swimsuit. It was because of him I could do everything. It was because of his presence I could do everything. Like, it's very strange because when we are shooting, we girls in India or Pakistan, if a director comes and he hugs you on the set and says, hello, how are you doing this morning? Like, if it's Devanand, I feel good. It's like as if he's giving me an ashirwad in the morning or some of his blessings in the morning. So if he hugs me, I feel great. But the other day I was sitting down and I said, if any other director comes in or producer comes in and he hugs me and says, so how are you doing this morning? I'll be most embarrassed. I mean, I look at the unit people one, I look at the press people too, okay, why the hell did he hug me? But with Dave Saab, it's so beautiful.
What was so special in it?
With Dave Saab, it's like, I know he's so much into work and he gets us so much involved into the scene that when he'll come and he'll hug you, it's like he's with you and then he'll talk about work.
Encouraging
and
you.
It's beautiful with him. It's encouragement total.
और फिर this is coming working under Navketan banner, I know it's a big banner.
Yeah.
और did you not feel कि you had to produce good? जैसे कि आपने कहा है कि you don't feel that you're talented. How did he pull the talent out of you?
Yeah, this is a good question because back in '86, when I did the TV serial Gardish in Pakistan, I was a very bad actress. I could not act from anywhere. And the critics enjoyed a lot talking about me.
No, slating you down again.
Absolutely. It was, they were having a great time. And my friends, they started criticizing me that, Anita, when you can't act, why don't you stick to modeling? And they were right. So when I came down to India and I wanted to do some acting courses just to improve my acting, and I got selected with Dave Saab, and I had a feeling that maybe I can prove myself somewhere. And I did this film. To my surprise, the critics were quiet. And the critics, they all said that you have improved like anything. And I think more than anything, it was Dave Saab's direction, or maybe his way of taking things, even though maybe, there were few scenes where I know I was bad, but the way he took them, the way he shot them, I know he gave a beautiful thing.
तो क्यों ना हम प्यार का तराना का एक सीन देखें और देखें देव साहब ने आपसे कैसे काम करवाए.
Okay.
Let's go watch this.
क्यों नहीं? कैसे हैं आप? क्या नाम है आपका मिस्टर?
प्रेम कुमार. शॉर्ट में आप मुझे प्रेम कह सकती हैं. प्यारा शब्द है, प्रेम. और आप उस तस्वीर से कहीं ज्यादा सुंदर हैं, जो इन्होंने मेरे पास भेजी थी.
मैं जिन लोगों को पसंद नहीं करती, उनसे हाथ नहीं मिलाती.
बेटा पिंकी, शादी के लिए हाथ मांगने आया है, तमीज से बात कर.
मैं और भी बदतमीज हो सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने अभी अपनी शादी की हाँ नहीं की.
और पर तेरी शादी का फैसला तो मम्मी डैडी ने करना है.
अपनी शादी का फैसला मैं खुद करूँगी.
क्या ये रियल लाइफ में भी है कि अपनी शादी का फैसला आप खुद करें?
Doing something, but I don't want to meet my husband on the wedding night. I want to know him before I get married. Like, itna bhi arranged nahi. I wouldn't mind their selection because I know they're going to select a nice guy.
आपकी मुलाकात कराएंगे और एक एपोलॉजी आज के प्रोग्राम में है. हमारी कल की मेहमान थी, खास मेहमान अनीता अय्यूब, जिन्होंने प्यार का तराना फिल्म में काम किया. उस फिल्म की हीरोइन थी और आजकल गैंगस्टर में काम कर रही हैं. इंटरव्यू के दौरान मैंने कहा कि आपने देव साहब की फिल्म प्यार का तराना में काम किया है, तो इसी बारे में एक
हमें फैक्स आया, ऑल द वे डेनमार्क से फैक्स आया. मिस्टर एम हरवानी साहब जो सोनिको प्रोडक्शन से हैं, जो मोशन पिक्चर प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, इनका हमें फैक्स आया और फैक्स में ये लिखा गया.
इन्होंने शिकायत की है कि सरिता ने कहा कि ये देव साहब की फिल्म है, जबकि ये डेनमार्क और इंडिया का इकट्ठा वेंचर था. इस बारे में हम आपसे माफ़ी चाहते हैं. अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि क्योंकि देव साहब ने फिल्म को डायरेक्ट किया, तो हम मोस्टली डायरेक्टर का ही नाम ले लेते हैं.
हाँ, और मैंने भी कहा था सरिता कि ये नवकेतन प्रोडक्शंस थी. हालांकि ये इट्स अ जॉइंट वेंचर, सोनिको प्रोडक्शंस जो मोशन पिक्चर प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं डेनमार्क से, मिस्टर एम हरवानी, साथ नवकेतन.
लेकिन एक बात मैं ज़रूर कहूँगी कि अगर हमसे कुछ गलती होती है तो जो हमारा गेस्ट है उसका ये फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि उस बात को करेक्ट कर दें. खैर, मैं इस वीकेंड पर आपके पास कोपेनहेगन आ रही हूँ और पर्सनली आके आपसे माफ़ी चाहूँगी.
ओह, होल्ड टू दैट मिस्टर हरवानी साहब. अभी चलते हैं न्यूज़ की तरफ. न्यूज़ के बाद सिटी लाइन रिपोर्ट आपके सामने पेश की जाएगी.